Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix desktop icons not showing in Windows 11. As you can see, we're on the Windows 11 desktop, but the desktop icons are missing. Let's go through a few simple steps to bring them back. First, check whether the desktop icons are hidden. Right-click on any empty area of the desktop, then select View. From the menu, make sure Show Desktop Icons is checked. If it isn't checked, click on it to make your desktop icons visible again. In our case, the desktop icons are not hidden, so we'll move on to the next solution. Again, right-click on an empty area of the desktop and select Personalize. In the Personalization settings, click on Themes. Scroll down and select Desktop Icon Settings. A new window will open. Here you can choose which system icons you want to display on your desktop, such as this PC, Recycle Bin, Control Panel, and Network. For this example, we'll enable this PC and Recycle Bin. Click Apply and then click OK. Now return to the desktop, and you can see that this PC and Recycle Bin icons are visible again. That's it. Your desktop icons should now be showing correctly in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 tips and troubleshooting guides.